Okay guys, this is part 2 of opening up these cookie things. We forgot that these were even in here, so let's open these things up. So tiny. We need scissors. Hold up, let me get some scissors.
But what if it's straight up at the top?
I got scissors. Oh no, I got it. Oh.
Trevor, can I do it?
Okay, you gotta be careful because I cut a bit of mine. Whatever it is.
I didn't cut none of mine.
It's a sticker?
Wait, what now?
I got Sudowoodo!
Really? You got Sudowoodo? What did I get?
Except I accidentally cut it. Oh no! She got, of course she gets the Ceruledge Edge one. Well, that was fun. See you guys again in 1, 2, make sure to like and subscribe. 3, peace.